Hi, hello, and welcome to EduPristine.com. Today I'm going to show you how the ad manager works. So basically, you will buy the software and then you will download it on your computer. You will have 130 modules that will help you with your marketing. And here on posting, you will see a new section that's called Ad Manager. So you click that, and this is what it's going to come up. This basically is for you to save your ads, your account, and extra information for the ads. So to start off, we go here for the account, we click on Show All Ads. So this will show you like all the ads that are available, which we don't have right now anyone, but it's going to show you there. Then you could create ads with the spin text. So basically, this could be your title 1, title 2, title 3, and then you could generate the spin text that you could copy here. So you could like paste your body with the spin text as well, and then you could just generate different like text with your ad. So you will have like the different variations of your ad, and this will be like the every time you click on this, it's going to generate you a new ad. You could copy the title that's been spin, or you could copy the body. Also, you could add an image, so you could put the image here. This is just to save your ads. So whenever you create ads on a different section, it's going to be saved there. So to load an image, you could just go to Google and then look for images like iPhone, and then once you have like the image for iPhone, you select it, and then you go and copy the image location. Copy image location, you paste it there, and that's your image that it's going to appear there. Most of the time you want to save the images that are JPEG or that are PNG. Then you put it into the software. So that's your first ad, and then save ad as new. So this is going to be there. So whenever you come here and you select your ad, you could always have a different ad every single time. This is perfect. So whenever we want to publish on different places, we could do that. Now, the next part would be to save your account. So you could click show all your accounts. So if you don't have accounts, it's not going to show up. If you want to create a new account, you click new account, and here you put your URL, your password, your username, your password, and any note, like if there is any other information that you need. In this case, to fill out this, we click on pop-up new window, and here you will have a bunch of classified sites that you can join to, and a bunch of job boards that you can join to. So for example, if I were to do this, I would just click Gumtree. I will copy this. I come back here, new bookmark. I paste it there. I will put my username and password, and then other info that was needed, and I click save. So I will have here my new information. So whenever I select this, it's going to show up there. And this way it's going to allow me to have all this information available. Now, whenever you select one of these, this information will get copied over when you click pop-up window. So you see username, password, and then also whenever you select one of the ads, whatever ad is selected at the time, whenever you click pop-up window, it's going to get copied over. Also the image, and the last part will be this section. So you could just come to the extra information, and here you put your name, the phone number, whatever phone number you have, phone number with the spaces. So sometimes you need to paste it into the ad itself, and that way you could do it. Your email, and then you could put your postal code, whichever postal code you have. Then you could put your website, http://website.com, and your address if it's needed. Sometimes you need to put your address on some ads, so I just put anything there. And now that we have this, we just click pop-up window, And what is going to happen is that we will get all this information. So we could just come back here in accounts. We have Gumtree here, so we just click visit. And if you remember, this was the information for Gumtree. So the information got copied over, and this is a window that is going to always be on top. So this is going to allow us to do this. So once you're here, you go here and log in, and then here you have your username. In this case would be your email. You copy, you paste, and then your password, you copy, you paste. Obviously these are fake, so it's not going to work, but if it were good, you will be able to do that. So you could go to post an ad. In this case, it's asking us for registration, but whenever you create your ad, most of the time it's going to ask you what is the title of your ad. It's going to ask you the body of your ad. It's going to ask you for the image of your ad. Sometimes it also asks you for this contact information. So this is an easy way to be able to go and copy and paste and generate whichever content you want. And it's an easy way to save all your ads. So if you select a different ad and then you click pop-up window here, then you will get a new ad here. Also, if you select a different account here and you click pop-up, you will get a different account and you will get all this information. So this is really useful in order to save all our ads. So let's say if you have like different projects or different things that you're working on that you need to copy and paste multiple times, this will be perfect for you because you could just select all the different ads and have different variations for your ads, and also have all the different accounts for the different sites that you want to work with, and also your information here, so it just gets copied over and it's very easy to copy and paste in the different places that are available. If you don't want any of these, you could select it and delete the bookmark, delete. So once it gets deleted, you show accounts and there is nothing else. And if you don't like these, you could like modify these and then save the changes, or you could delete the ad altogether and I will delete the ad. So basically this is how the ad manager works. If you want to get the software along the 130 modules that we have, you could do that in autopostingtools.com. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.